Hello guys, in this video we will talk about that how you can make your own virtual card free of cost. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to show you that how you can make it. Okay, so first of all you have to go to Play Store and search Nayapay easy card. Okay, search Nayapay Nayapay. Here you can see that I already downloaded, so I will just click on the open. And here I'm already logged in, so if you didn't log in, so you need to put your own Gmail account password. So I already passed here. So this is the main menu page. From here you can see all the things are present here. So I'm going to remove this. It's chat. And here you can see at the bottom is the card menu, so you have to click on the card, and here you see I already ordered my card and your physical card is being printed. He said that your card has been printed and it's been shipped. So whenever I receive my card, here I will activate my card. Okay, so it's take around about 6 to 7 days to be shipped your card. So from here you can order your card. You just need to put your address, your name, your CNIC or phone number, so they will ship your card to your address. Okay, and here you can also do some chat with their contact. So I already sent some message about my card, that how I receive and how I will get my card. And here you can say you can also pay your bill, and you can also use your top-up mobile. So from here you can get any packages from Zong, Jazz, Tirana, Ufone, like weekly SMS, TikTok offer, 3-day package, monthly SMS. So a lot of packages are present here, and I'm going to show you about the Telenor package. So here you can see a lot of the package with very cheap price are available here. So if you wanna get any package, so from here you can take it. Okay, so this was about the mobile top-up, and a lot of things are present here. You can also do is a lot from your account to your mobile. So this was about the Nayapay. It's just like the easypaisa or jazzcash, where you can do anything, and you can also get education, pages account, profile from here. So all the things are present. Successfully you can do it anything. Okay, so this was about the Nayapay easy card. And now order your virtual card today, and wait 6 to 7 days. I hope that you will get your card quickly. So if you like the video, then don't forget to click on the subscribe. Keep watching my video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.